Hey, what's up YouTube? Today's project, I kind of wanted to get rid of the ubiquitous Tacoma TRD Sport double chin, lower lip, wind diffuser, air dam, whatever you want to call it, but not a big fan of it. I know it adds to the aerodynamics of the truck, but I don't think it's going to affect it that much. But I'm going to show you guys how to remove it to improve the looks of your truck. Alright, so this is all the tools you're going to need for the job. You're going to need a 10mm socket, if you can find yours. An extension is definitely going to help out. If you have a drill, I recommend just using the drill. It's going to make the job a breeze. If not, you can use a ratchet. It's not like it's going to add that much more time using a ratchet, but it's just easier with a drill. There is 11 total screws to remove. And then obviously I recommend storing your screws somewhere. I'm just using a sandwich bag, but all in all, the job takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So we have 2 screws in front of the tire that we have to remove. One of them is right here, and the other one is right here. So just like the driver's side, also on the passenger side in front of the tire, there's the 2 screws to remove as well. Now that we have the ones in front of the tire removed, you can see how it's a little floppy now, and we just want to work our way down. Just be mindful that the one that's over here, you don't need to remove. It's just the ones directly on your wind dam. Air dam, double chin, wind diffuser, whatever it's called. And she's off. Okay, so the wind diffuser was removed. Pretty simple. There is 11 screws in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 and 11. So 11 screws in total. Super easy job to do. Really more time setting up and recording this video than actually doing the job. 5-10 minutes tops, including getting all your tools. Maybe 30 minutes if you're trying to find your 10mm socket, but pretty easy. All right, so this is what she looks like without the double chin. I think it looks better. Looks a little bit more rugged looking. Looks like you instantly gained an inch or 2 in ground clearance without it. But let me know in the comment section what you guys think. With the double chin or without. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe and click that notification bell to get more videos.